Google Play protection is one of the important security you need to enable on your Android phone, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step on how to enable Google protection from Google Play Store on your Android phone in order to protect your Android phone from fake. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful, remember to click on that subscribe for more tutorials about Android tricks. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to enable Google protection on your Android phone in order to safeguard your device from fake apps or fraudulent apps. Okay, so what you need to do first is to make sure you head over to your Play Store. So I'm going to click on my Play Store right here. Then I'll get into Play Store. Next thing you want to do is to click on your profile picture right here, the profile icon. The next thing you need to do is to click on Play Protect. Now the next thing you need to do is to click on Settings from the top. Then at this point here, this is where you need to turn on Play Protect setting. Just simply click on here and here. Then the two buttons need to be turned on before you can successfully enjoy Google Play protection on Android device. So this is how to protect your Android device from unwanted or fake apps download from Google Play Store or any APK from any particular website. Is step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Android tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.